Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove connected accounts on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support, and then tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now, tap on Security and Account Access option. Among these four options, tap on Connected Accounts. To remove connected accounts on Twitter, tap on the Disconnect button. You need to enter your password for verification. Once you're done, tap on the Disconnect button. And this is how you can remove connected accounts on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.